Good morning, Tiffany. Welcome on Monday, the last Monday this school year. So I'm a bit sad that it's our last week, but I know you deserve holidays and you're dreaming about some days off. So I'm trying to prepare a bit different tasks so you can enjoy revising, reflecting, and trying something new. So I will start with the unit of inquiry. So there are still three more videos to be watched from the G5B exhibition. Jambo and Dora, Jan and Nadia. So if you still have some time and energy to watch them, please do that. And I also I shared the link for Padlet. And I would like you today to reflect a bit and to tell me and to share with me and with your classmates about one thing from from school year that you're really proud of. It may be something new that you have learned or some skills that you have developed or maybe a change in your behavior, your attitude, or a task that you completed so well and you are so proud of it. Okay, so something that you're proud of. And that's it for the unit of inquiry. And English and maths are also a bit different because I would like you to listen to the story the night before summer vacation and then think about one summer vacation story that you would like to share with your classmates because we will use them on Tuesday for our lesson. Okay? And I also got some riddles and brain teasers. So for maths, you can find the units that you like. Multiplication, for example. You click, you've got the question. Yeah. How many window boxes will she need? So if you look here on the left, you've got some hints that may help you to solve the puzzle. And then is a solution if you can't solve the stuff. And there is one more web page I published, so you can also play some games with the riddles.
Olive's mom has Bella. What?
Yeah, and then you just choose the correct answer and you confirm the answer. And actually, that's it for today. So, if you want, you can still use Mathletics to develop your math skills, and you may use the backlog to continue reading progress. Okay, so see you at 10:30. Today I would like you to have your whiteboards with you because we will be playing some games and revising the stuff that we have learned this school year. So it would be nice if you got your whiteboard with you. Okay, so see you at 10:30 and enjoy your morning. Bye.